In this video, I'll show you multiple ways that you can charge your AirPods Pro second generation. So the first one, let's start with the easiest one, is to actually connect a lightning cable to the bottom of the case. So you just connect it there, and by the way, they come with this cable in the box, so you should have it. And you'll need to connect the other end of the cable to a wall charger. This is quite a big one because it's from my MacBook, but you can use smaller ones, okay? They all need to be USB Type-C. So I'll connect one here, and this goes into the wall, and the case will be charged, and the case will charge at the same time the AirPods Pro that are inside the case. And by the way, I'll put a link in the description if you want to get everything that I'll show today on Amazon. So just check them out if you wish. So this was one way of doing it. Another way is to take any charging mat like this one. This one I got it from IKEA. And all you have to do is to place the AirPods Pro second generation case on the charging mat with this part facing down. So the part with the small metal hinge here, well, it needs to face down. And once you put it on the charging mat here, there'll be a red light right over here flashing just once to tell you that the case is actually charging. And the light won't stay on during the whole charging process. So don't worry if it's turning off. Another way to charge it is using any MagSafe compatible charger. This one is for an Apple Watch, but there's also this one that is made for phones. Both will work perfectly with the AirPods Pro second generation. All you have to do is to bring this MagSafe charger to the rear of the casing here, the same way we did with the other charger. And since it's magnetic, it will find its way on the magnet on the rear of the AirPods Pro case, and the small red light will flash as well. Let me do it again so you can see. You see here, there's a red light just showing you that it's actually charging. And yeah, all you have to do is to put it down and wait for them to charge. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to leave a like and also maybe comment. Check the Amazon links as well, and I will see you in the next one.